Only Amiga makes it possible. Only Amiga makes it happen. Okay, I've got my Amiga 1200 set up. Well, it's always got a permanent setup anyway, but yeah, I'm playing on a requested game by Ben, who I know from yeah, so I'm playing this. It's New Zealand Story on the Amiga. I'm actually using my Amiga 1200 for this one. So yeah, so this is New Zealand Story on the Amiga, as you can see. There it is. So it's Tatio America, Ocean Software. So let's play the game. It's a coin-up conversion of the arcade machine, of course. So you're presented with the little animation and the music up so you can hear it. There he takes him away, and I escape. So we start with level 1-1. Now, as you can see, it's very faithful to the coin-up machine. The graphics are nice in there, it's all detailed, all the backgrounds are there. Yeah. The same channel's cut out when you shoot, but that's to be expected on these older games. So I can collect the food. Have some of that. Ouch, you got me. That was shiter. Hold on, I think my audio cable's coming out. That's better. Yeah, I had a bit of a dodgy stereo cable in the back. So yeah, complete level. Then we are presented with the map, New Zealand, so we're on level 2. Same thing again, we shoot the baddies. Have some of that. Watch out for these guys right here. I got the bombs now. If I jump onto him, oh no, I didn't quite do that right. So I'll try again. So if I can shoot him, yeah, I can nick his transport. As you can see, I can go up here now on this lift. Ah, they're all out to get me, aren't they? So yeah, so we've got the backgrounds all detailed. Watch out for the... Oh, he's just... Oh, you fuck. He just nicked my okay, so I've got a nice score for my efforts. Oh, I didn't want to press oh, okay. So I'm back to level 1. Let's give it another go. Music's very good. So, oh you fuck! I just jumped right on him, like a tit. So, we keep going. Watch out! Games in the day were pretty difficult. I mean, they expect you to complete this whole game with just 3 lives. I mean, I can't see that happening unless you're a very good gamer. I got the bombs. There's my weapon to the bombs. Have some of that. Hey, I got the balloon. They're all out to get you. Careful with these guys right here. Oh, you. Oh, it went into the spikes. Am I ever going to get past level 1, 2? I'm sure I used to be better at this when I was young. Watch out for the spikes above as well. Have some of that. So yeah, we just got past, just on level 1, 2. Have some of that. Have some of that. Watch out, they all come through these doors, magical doors. Oh, right into the spikes. That wasn't too good. I'm game over. I'll get a high score. So yeah, so we'll try that again, but I'm not very good at this game, I can tell you right now. The old Amiga. Oh, you fuck. I went straight into him. Try again, shall we? I've done that one. Got the bombs again. Absolutely. On the vehicle right here. No. Oh, right into the spikes. I forgot about them spikes at the top. At least I'm up here still. One good thing about losing stories, you don't have to start from the beginning when you lose a life. You don't get no continues or anything, which you would think you would. I suppose on the arcade machine you could just insert more credits and you could get continues probably, I guess. Watch out for the spikes. Oh, the baddies are everywhere. I've got this on difficulty set hard or something. I don't think that is a choice. Nice Christmas tree or something like that in the background right there. No, they're all after me now. Have some of this. Ah! They're all coming to get me. Ah! Go. Get the tea, get the tea. I don't know what the tea is for, but get the tea anyway. Yeah, you go underwater as well, as you can see. Oh, you fooger. Okay, that's game over, and I'm done playing this. So I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 because it's very faithful to the coin-up machine. Very good for any Amiga collection. Goodbye.